So last time on part 10, we did needle to the bottom of the C, came up, palm strike, fist out. Now this time, pull back. We're going to pat horse on high up here, and then we're going to come in. We're going to roll around, circle ball, press out, step back slightly, pull in, push forward. As you're coming forward, your hands don't have to be like this. They can be in a little bit. Drop your center of gravity, side to side, to the side, and then into single whip position. Again, make sure your arm is not straight, bent slightly, hitting out. And as you hit out, make sure that you're hitting with the side of your hand. So going out. Again. Pat the horse. Circle around. Grasping bird's tail. Come in, pull back. Push out. Drop your center of gravity down. And over. Single whip. Again. Going down. Needle to the bottom of the C. Palm strike out. Fist. Now part 11. Patting the horse. Circle around. Grasping bird's tail. Come back. And out. Lower your center of gravity. And across. Out. Single whip. Good. So I'm going to turn around now so you can see it from the back. It's just much easier to follow. bad for a guy 65 years old.
Not bad at all.
Almost 65.
Nice job.